Honorable Yentio video 2007 with.
If it's going to be like the gold we have in this country, then I think it's a misblessing.
What is that supposed to mean?
Misblessing in the sense that then we are even better off not even discovering this oil.
How can you say that?
Yeah, I'm saying that because I want the government to negotiate well. We have gold in this country. Now we've sold everything to foreigners. I want the government to come. I challenge my own government. Let them come out and tell us openly if we are benefiting from gold in this country. And I will challenge them anytime, any day, that we are not benefiting from gold in this country. Look at the rate at which they are degrading our lands in this country. And Parliament, I should be ashamed of myself that I also voted 3%. 3%.
That's the royalty. You're referring to the royalty.
Yeah, 3% to government. I am ashamed of myself, but I'm confident talking about it because I criticized it. How can the whole 230 parliamentarians will sit there and approve that whatever Newmont is going to do in this country, Ghana government is going to make 3%?
Is that the case?
My brother. And last year, they made about $340 million, and about 9.2, 9.3 came to government. Do you think we need that in this country? Go and see what they are doing over there. The rate at which they are degrading our land for 9%.
But they say you don't have the equipment, you don't have the capital. What do you
My brother, if you don't have the equipment and you don't have the capital, you still have the natural resources that they need. So you have to bargain well. You see, my leaders or some ministers who come with another school of thought and tell you that, look, we are making, they pay taxes, this and that, corporate tax. If I declare that I made 20 million, then you're going to tax me on it. If I come and tell you 1 million, that's what you're going to tax me on it.
Or you can say you didn't make any money at all.
I didn't make money at all. So what are you telling me? Are you quantifying that? So now, I am saying the oil is a misblessing in the sense that I want my government to go out there and negotiate well. Although they are bringing the equipment, heavy duty equipment that are expensive, no doubt about it. But they should also bargain. At least 35, 65. 35, 65 should not include taxes, corporate taxes. Our share. If they don't want it, they should leave it. At least we've been able to survive to date.
And then you sit on it.
Yeah, we sit on it. Yeah, but what difference does it make if we have gold here and we don't even have gold refinery here? We don't have diamond, nothing. So does it make a difference to you? When you go to South Africa, you see difference with their gold, what they've done.
All right. So 60 years ago, you said this.
Yeah, 2007. Yes.
60 years ago.
Yeah.
And we are still living in the same soup. Now, it shows your consistency.
Yes.
So, it's the same. If you do it, you will the same thing.
Until we
called
change.
honesty.
The day that will change means Ghana has changed too. Why businessmen, if he said, "Meet me a human," and I'm part of them, and I know the problems that they are going through. In fact, now my SMN come with but Odia Bay Maminka. Yeah, it's so sad. Ghana, Yamobo, I will hope. That is why everybody listening to me should vote for me. NPP for more mistake. Let's change this. What do you mean? And now I'm no say Ghana revenue for last week. And mommy letter. Freya so more office be war. Standard Authority building fish where they're from near Standard Authority. Yeah, Shippers Authority.
Yeah, Ghana Shippers.
Ghana Shippers building and no more. Freya letter when you letter. Yakoya kofa letter. Yakoya steel plant Misia. Meanwhile, about 65% complete. Ghana revenue, actually, my letter said they want to go and audit me. And then they went there.
Audit you?
Yes.
Yes, still
yes.
You are. Yes, no TV.
Yes. Where are you? Yeah.
I'm going to today.
I don't know what they're going to do. Because me a Ghanani, I'm a businessman. I'm tia sia kurase Ghanani, what a green say. Ebia Juma, Emma, Ninuya Ghana, enne 10 o'clock. enipa miensa from Ghana Revenue Authority eko de take na Japan omo akọ no mo ne ewu o dia say sa ahoya no emma Ghana for businesses enkoso. That is what I stand for. We have to promote Ghanaian businesses. We have to encourage Ghanaians to make money and expand their businesses. What you say? Mozantie biem, ayra husem biem a esiye. Enra, eye ashama asema esiye me ne committee chairman.
That's right.
Ye shia a soldier phone paying for the minister. Then my wife kept calling. Wafra na me excuse you na me. Meje another and guasesem biem ni say Ghana immigration akosti plant ho India for no a womu fixing machines Roma kochi wo.
Ha! Jesus Christ.
Na Kanaja pompo a woye NPP empenfo yi bimponi na ordinary Ghanaian. So I know the problems Ghanaian businesses are going through. I know why we are not doing well as a nation. Because a country where we only give priority to foreigners against our own citizens, that must change. Last week, because me one your friend say, "Omo nya letter say Ghana Revenue say omo de omo konwe besi ho ahwe fish do am ton a day." Oh yeah, and let me state it clearly. Me matra ehunahuna. They cannot, I repeat, they cannot use the system to intimidate me. Enyejuma. Now it's so sad for me to make this statement. Here, Rollins Abreso, Nibia Juma, President Kufu Abreso, Nibia Juma, Atamos Abreso, Nibia Juma, Eya Mahama Abreso, Nibia Juma. I never went through any of this harassment. I'm sad. I have to tell you the truth. I have never gone through harassment and intimidation as a Kufuado government. I'm a MP for 6 consecutive terms. Me be a Juma. Na me say Juma. Obi a meti obi comment say ni mados into ombefun. Me baby a mama president I will go and work for me. I have a lot of businesses for them to work.
To baby any ho beba
No. But this is the frustration I'm going through for setting up businesses to create employment
for Ghanaians.
Yes. So businessmen any omo eto ade nyina nim say minim omo hiasem because I'm going through it. And yet top here akofa ba na nka me nka ho we. Yeah. Because I'll face them squarely. And the third part is mo Ghana Revenue for mo jiji bribe. Omo ya me there omo. May expose Ghana Revenue because we should not be intimidated by any institution in this country. We should not. Institutions should work. Systems should work. We don't have a problem. But say wa Ghana for utu enisi u Ghana for so be guo mojuma. What kind of people and black people yeah. Momo di adwuma ma obia. Omo wo office building bi a omu si wo kanda ho. Contractors they charge them 10%. Ghana Revenue. Adi a me be ye wo mo. Omu fi say me be president inti and say hunu e koso amenka meka upa men to mame. Because I'll live for the rest of my life. And I stand for the youth of this country because the future belongs to them. If we allow these things to go on, there is no future for any young man. If we allow these things to go on, there's no future for business people, Ghanaians. Mimiti ho, opinion, Indian is able to call custom commissioner. I don't even know the custom commissioner's number. And I don't intend to know.
Okay.
Because I'll do the right thing.
All right.
But you see, in the businessman for one, he said, Omo de bogus law be the bar said, Omo betcha use cars, any parts, any one. So they met me at Tema. I'm how? Yeah, was so I'm here no kureni. Mami more honorable chairman Sabu Swabaso. He did well. And ya me any honorable chairman sa. And come by implement our law. No?
2012 cars and the actually.
And I mean on by and be a question say. And ye be I man go school and actually I seen dump him LA middle school. Enti America Ford brand new no mo ye no. Mo patch there say yen ton use car one. Yen ton scraps one. Why do you give us a condition? Say before I set up this company manufacturing Gise we use cars what stop. Look at the number of people who go magazine. Look at the number of people who go aboso. You going to collapse their business? My question is, brand new cars, first, per capita income of every Ghanaian, a man ain't me afford a brand new car. What you say? And compulsory, everybody should buy a brand new car. That is not the approach. They may catch honorable chairman as a leader. Who say Alan, finance minister, anybody responsible. Oma you see in co-position if you implement this law. Leader, if we allow parliament to pass this, we are finished. In fact, I'll catch them say beginning, nenka or support. But we CD depreciation, the amount of CDs are also the Kotosa he disagrees. That is how come we suspended it. So they see Japan as somebody who knows their problem and who is ready to solve their problems for them. That is why the businessmen are all rooting for me.
Yes, now when I came to Japan, was answer what you say, Sabe, I or no, hey, just say what not say, dream one say, hey, ain't it MPs, Emma, multi parliament, Maja to say, Sabe, Ghana ha, ye may use passports, crampo, just say, who could the passport square, no just all your Ghana, I do put a Ghana card pay, and man, I'm assuming easy grass and on the Betuaba. And all sounds which them say, hey, now, most of the Ghana, ain't it Sabe. You good, I want to joy. Does that make sense, my people? Future President, Kasamami.
Dientina, the Bia Casena, Osi Ghana first, and the youth.
O mind Bia, ni mind, money man for any do, any timber, and you're proud, say, Omo, Frisa Kuru, or mine, and ye. Look. When we are talking to an American, even Ghana near Wakoye American citizen, is so proud to hold American passport. Ghana, Monradie, bogus decisions. And I wonder those who sit there and take such decisions. Say a whole Ghana passport. Mosi Yakotwa Baye me and Ghana passport. We've lost our identity to national identification. What?
So you are against this?
I am against it. I am against it. I am against it. Say a whole nationality. A dear Netimima me who said me a Ghana me. I am a passport. Now we are saying, say, we will not even be allowed to use our passport because certain number of people are Ghanaians are holding it. The same applies to national identification. A lot of people are holding it. Ghana for. What you say? So Ghana first means we have to be proud. Say you're Ghanaians. So we are proud of Ghana. Ghana Krono. Ube you yem ayejuma. President and head of state biya me penasempa. Me yisune a champion.
Yes.
Pragmatism.
Yes.
I say wala tu wala sa nipa ba kwe uti asiye. On say ene ya ofiri hui. Ghana koti gata numa no mo tuebu esro no. Ensio to ya na sa akugu.
Ose wa tu na wasa.
A champion say utu edigu and sa fa firi ho. Wara tu na wara sa. Yes. Yes. And we corny no wara tu wara sa nipa ba ko. So operation feed yourself. Oba ase dump ma e man she trousers no ma she shorts ka ho obi akurante kan na bus si yo no mo kofo akwadwuma. State farms. And then na say nyoma we nyina. Yentimi am building on it. I'm gonna say, let us start again. So agro processing. Yatia yaton cocoa. And then in nyinara. Cocoa just cost syndication. And san omo nyiskabe. How? I always ask them, and the more kaza cocoa na maton mo niska. Mo be tria ekuafo ka. Na motimia store cocoa no for higher price. Na there be a mumma abrofi detective how much they will buy your cocoa. Gold. So we call South Africa they will use minerals develop South Africa. Ghana ha obi to gold no. Ye me hikura ni abrofo no. O Ghana for there although mu sense you, o friend galam say. Mumisa and painful mu Ghana has said. New Montahino Mutia. Emma Ghana. We want to know. We want to know. How many helicopter be see every week? Yes, sister gold. Who watches them? Ghana government. How do you know how much gold you get out of that? How come into media can they movie say me president didn't even Ghana mechanical. Does it make sense to you? Say also gold, would you cut oil? Gold for oil. Why don't you sell your gold, make the money and go and buy the oil and go through a middleman? Me man go school. But economics in a gumitri mo keke. Man go school. Simple things that we can do. And I'm surprised. You see, we have the men. We are hailing this. We are hailing gold for oil. We need to move. Move. Adia, no more ye good in this small scale. Omo ye ni sankabe. But we go to gold. Gold and film to free galam simple. And the new month to for any Anglo gold, any one. What are they doing? The country is sick. And we need a bitter pills for us to get healed. I swear to God, Ghana Revenue Authority can never collapse my business. Because I'll fight. I'll fight for the youth of this country. Because that steel plant alone will take 1,000 workers. And we are going there because Kwame Japan is a loud mouth. Because he wants to contest in the Ubegumejuma. I'm being nice and charitable to NPP for. They shouldn't dare me. They shouldn't dare me. Anybody, I will feel me contest binti Ubegumejuma. I'll finish the party. The things I will say, the things I know that I've kept quiet. Master, what I've gone through from January till date, NPP for Munti and ye, I've been nice. I've been very, very nice. Basa will say, Enipa bakunti Ubegumejuma, megu NPP. Mislomo. All right. Na mi body opesi na mi di. Inti ahin pa na me bre wo wiase. All right. Sabu Ubegumejuma.
Honorable Nkomo ma no Drew may be out of passion. He says, say if MPP dares you, immediately I'll try to social media. And I will collapse NPP if they dare me.
Yeah, I repeat. Let me slow one. Opa woman koso so mube. Na woman catch them place on Begumejuma. And I'm ready for them. Don't worry about it. Niazi mi slow one. Opa woman try say on Begumejuma. You will see what will happen. Na mo says can go abrochire no mo yegumejuma. Me this cat Ghana ha yeguma. Hey, there be woman po mu asem.
Okay. I was for ya the juma de besia.
Minister bi ni me kasa so you are going to be Peter Obi. Meaning the youth supports you but you won't win. Tinubu, the system Buhari never supported Tinubu.
Yeah.
But he won.
Yeah.
What you say?
The last time I was a son Nigeria
Naira no Buhari and you want a whole president vote to win or the trade. So a minister now catch them say me Peter Obia. Be it. I can be Tinubu. I can be Peter Obi. And to me a clean campaign. Obi Obe wuni be any support. But if you look at me and tell me say you are going to be Peter Obi. Omunde Niazi Misromo. They say orchestrated the youth to destroy me business. NPP, I repeat, let them dare me and you will see what will happen. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of NPP. If they dare me, so obegum meduma. Brahma brewo wiase. Me be Johnny NPP. E chiesika. E topic up some mamu. Na mimi hunti ubeguno because nipa da sani bi apaso India. Let them try it. GR4 bribe omu gie. E nipa omu gie bribe na me be out. Now the last question I asked me say GR4 gi bribe 10% and taxes say no mutu out bribe no. Asem sebe ni me yire nam me ka chance we corrupt. O free America buy now a very principle. But they say we're corrupt. You know why my wife is corrupt? Opanyini yati airport ha. Ma mi bi odidi no hwemanim odidi no hwemanim. O wie no nya kukuduro no ba. Oni honorable Kenya Japan am say yes. And was wo to Canada, Calgary. Near din common will say, Ghana had an ecosi. We need you because near ecos on time and experience be obinya. Ne young kuba a yari or the Nico hospital or Niska. Nurse and said 250. Muntia ye. Most sorry, I'm say politicians. Mo amujina bontin, mo amutia. Yenina, we are all corrupt and we have to change. Mamino, catch me say nurse and Jenny 250. Or 250 no amount receipt of 50 cedis. Then she started arguing with her. Say, how come you've taken 250 from me and given me 50 cedis? Watch 100 move 5. Or no for 4 and one am buying 1. Who we are? No other catch him say politician. Why you corrupt? Enti, why I know some you didn't me very well. Why I'm so corrupt? Why not me be some how many question? Leading ones. Now Bobo. Everybody me catch him say mo on hospital. Now you see, we also you corrupt. O say mo on hospital ni nchire. Enka nem better na ya me bo hospital ni din e wo Kumasi ha. Ba me ira ma na mo nchire. I'm saying, how do you change it? Who's sorry, a person be first lady? Me pamu ntem. With this attitude, who approach na kotna who rise by director, our risk department, or budget, $500 million. Control. Is that the same attitude? And now the obi 250 cities at Echo Hospital. Nurse not for 200.
Not sure 50.
Not sure 50. Obi challenge na ohumi baba mania na me yira bonano say mo onganjire me so ye corrupt na ma me so e wa no adana no na hospital no kura me nka na so who educated woman like you from Calgary won kai hospital no ya jiwe because me yira ka je say akwa we die wo tie nsem nyina obekwa koka wo me ma ye nipa boni for speaking the truth because ono for 400 200 ni kwa 50 no enso enuro to and now to maintain the hospital. Obaba bebo politicians itiriso. Meanwhile, ni suban enema hospital no egu. That kind of discipline. Ada beto ama kana Japan say we president pe Ghana ni bi abese samadwin.
And they will change too.
Oh yeah, they will change. You see, we should love our country. We should love our country. That's the only way we can build it. Na country foreigner buy investment your man tax rebate. Ghana need a investment even bigger than the foreigner there when your tax rebate. Why? Don't you go town who say country be anywhere the citizens no and your first except Ghana. That is why I'm saying say we need discipline. Who Ghana? Me see the tourism
I was going to go there.
Epumpa who Ghana epumwa. Efi robbers any efia ebufaso. If he say odo enemu kanu we ebia nemu ngom to rubber egu hwe una mabonti na no yeko Algeria uhu rubber ba kokora into Algeria for me nipa che we have allowed obia nom nsuo wo rubber ma no wato atwene fo and we feel say e normal ukoka kura se omfa onu benya gas asa didi watem that will change now wo ba Garden City near chiro say Garden City. Why Kumasi was named Garden City? You will see. In Nuya what I say? I have a lot of ideas. Cultural center. Opposite in the first now almost ye ahimfubio said never horny a bemu nina should be museum tourist that people should go there or call honorable chairman's constituency. Bem what I say people should go there and then me free elimina. No pay Ghana needs Remnibia or Worcester. Now the 16 students. Abba, no ma Limina, Castle, Ako Cape Coast Castle. At least over the whole 2 days. They are spending money. Tourism. What are we doing in this country? Why in the Beko Beach? Emra Udru James Tower. The most expensive land on earth is beachfront. Your Tom Ponchi. How? Mbonji. Me true 1 second. Na me too me kope baby am first. And yes am buy any two said sebi abuabi or no. That I don't believe in that. You be true. You be ma baby atna. One kotna. God knows I've done my part. Will clear you. You be clean here purumu nyina build the nice for tourists to come here, for young men and women to get jobs. That is what we have to do as a nation. About 366 kilometers. We are not making good use of it. Give me a chance and you see.
Agriculture,
my brother. I feel the 5 northern regions should have about 50% of all agro industries in the country. The nature of the land, the way see a flat, and yes, sir. Maybe quite I'm catching say, Namotia Mukurasa way, Usi Yanko Pomp was a young. What granity name? Because this land, what we can do. Then the desert is Ukraine, we are rice. What is wrong with this? Black people. I'm going to use 5 northern regions to feed the whole Africa. Akrache Fono, and he talks big. I do things big. And that's the only way we can move this country. In your market, handout. Let's use Afram Plains, Accra Plains, and 5 northern regions to feed Africa. Let's challenge ourselves. I know because South Africa, na usha farms, efekeke. Na no me ba call no akogina ayibno from say, "Eish. Me wo farms bi mu wa ha." Kronster was saying, me call baby a friend Kronster. Enyuma say farms pa. Amu catch you Ghana for Ghana catch them say a broiler 365 days. Anytime be a upe bro bi abinya o South Africa. Yeah, ukosro your share butter. Yeti ho ema abrofo ena besi sa share butter no Ghana for ne sisa nom de akoguo. Omo e package a na abrofo na befa. Are we down? Ene Mr. Kwame Owusu, me campaign manager, ne ba, and contain keke, and contain, and no the aye millionaire. Wakofa, frafrafo, abegu, and cranwe beer factory. Every week, one you cry 3, 4, 40 containers, 40-footer containers, eko Amazon.
Whoa.
Yes, Kwame Owusu amanene namuya. Ne ba, correct. Owie, University of Pennsylvania, Ivy League School, Law School. Obaya Ghana Habasha, baby another papa tino. Vice President Aliu Mahama come to me so baby. Now share the woman can tell now, you know, say, I'm inside the way. And Nona, Amazon, or percent or pass or Numa echo here. So let me. And the wise can eat town. What you say? So we need men and women with vision. And your brofuna makan no and an interest rate interest rate and the interest rate is 54%. Agroni from let's build industries, let's promote Ghanaian businesses instead of undermining Ghanaian businesses. Let's promote them. Yeah? Every country in the world is the entrepreneurs who creates job.
Okay. Net omokoto here.
Yeah.
Epum.
Efin pa. Enam omuchi ye no he. Ade omuchi ye no epum. Efin pa.
Sakuma no potamo.
You know, and you know frefre mo. What do you hear? Me nitro. My research. You know, na minim what is good for Ghana, and that is why my say wenko. And Tinubu is my turn to make a difference in this country. It's my turn to make a difference. And I will turn this country around within 2 years for you to see. With patriotism, honesty, and discipline.